Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys the phases of every event in Heartopia. So there are always 3 phases in every event. So for the insect catching, as you can see, there's one here, which symbolizes the first phase. Then there's the second, I don't know what it's called, insect attractor. That's the second one, and there's actually a third one if you go further. I've only gotten the third phase once. I've gotten the third phase for every event once, but I didn't record it, unfortunately. But here's the third one. And for the nest of, what is it? Nest of 100 events? I don't know what it's called. Nest of hundreds? Nest of, okay. Anyways, oh, here it is. Nest of Hundreds event. There's not really a thing to symbolize it, but I have gotten the third phase before. It spawns from here all the way to the lighthouse. So this is where the second phase is, around this area, and the third one is near the lighthouse right here. And it goes really far actually. And again, I cannot show you the one when you're fishing, the fishing event. The sea fishing one, there are 3 phases again, but it's very hard to get to the third phase. It's even hard to get the second phase. It's very random, so I can't really tell you the secrets and stuff. I just got it randomly, and it depends on luck, I'm gonna guess. But yeah, there are 3 phases in each event in Heartopia, so just keep an eye on that. So sometimes when you're fishing, you won't go back to shore. They'll be transferring you to second phase and stuff like that. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.